In this video, I'll show you how to fix Valorant. Please close all the Riot Games products before signing out error. So let's start. You have to log out to your Riot client. So if you cannot find that, then navigate to Valorant app. Just right click on it and click open file location. Click UX. Scroll down till you see Riot client UX. So let's just find that one. Here it is. Open that one. And this will pop up. Now you have to go to your account and click on sign out. This is just temporary one, but you can also clear the app data. So to do that one, you just have to click the Windows plus R and just type in the app data, hit OK, click local, and then just go to Riot Games. You have to delete this 2 folder. Don't worry, because after you log in with your account again, it will be restored. So we just have to click delete. Now the other thing that you can do is to uninstall the Riot Vanguard. Now open up the control panel. Under programs, hit on uninstall a program. You just have to find the Riot Vanguard. I currently do not have that one, but you should be able to see that. Let's say this is this one. Right click on it, hit uninstall, just press yes, and it will be uninstalled. Log in with your Valorant account and you should be able to fix the problem. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.